Hey everybody, this is Stephanie. This is sort of part 2 of the video I'm doing with my fried fish. I'm actually going to fry some fish, pan fry, but I'm going to fry it. And I had some potatoes in my oven, which is still on. So I think I'm going to split them up and have 2 separate videos, but that's what I'm about to do. So right now I want to show you my fish that I got from the Asian store yesterday, and just take a look. Okay, this is the fish here that I got from the Asian store. It is whitings. I had to kind of re-clean them because they don't know how to they don't take the fins off outside here. You know, they have to clean the inside a little bit better. I had to tell him to like really fillet the thing. He showed me that, but I should have made him turn it around and show me how to, you know, the outside was done, because it really wasn't. You got to cut off the fins. I mean, it don't make any sense. Anyhow, I seasoned it with some adobe light. I seasoned it with some onion, granulated onion, which I already put back. I seasoned it with a little bit of onion salt, just a teeny bit of onion salt on the other side. So that's all I really put on it. I don't really want to put anything else on it. I am going to use this crispy Southern Satiran's fish fry, and these things are salty too, so hopefully I didn't put over salt anything. Plus I added some of this seafood breading, and they only got a hole in it, so I had to cut it. I guess it's how they cut the box. But I have my mixture here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it together with my little fork. I like that little crispy. That's why I like the crispy one. I want it to get a little crispy, like it had corn meal on it. So it's kind of like how I want to do some fried fish. And I really want some fried fish. Now you guys know I'm on my Manjaro journey, but sometimes I want certain things, and so one of the things I love is fried fish. So I'm going to get my pan set up for my frying, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, you see my pan right here. This is my cast iron non-stick pan. If I see a link for it, I will link it at the bottom. But actually I love this pan. I take it out every once in a while. Forgot how much I really do love this pan. So we want to make sure it's hot. Now I could use a thermometer, and it's going to change, because once I put the fish in, it's going to change. But as you see, when I'm putting a little bit of the seasoning, the breading in, you notice that it does boil up, and so it is hot. It's been on for a while. It's been on, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, and I have it on like 8 right now. So I probably will be turning it down once I get the fish in here, you know, because it's gonna maybe cook too fast. We don't want it doing that. So here it goes. It's in. It's not really sizzling, but it's cooking. It's okay. I'm gonna wait for another little one in. Let's see where we're at with this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I got my fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There's nothing like a good piece of fried fish, okay? Especially the kind of fish you want. And I found my whitings around here, which was a difficult task. But I found them, and I didn't want them too big. So they're pretty, they're okay. You know, nice size. They definitely are a nice size. So I'm really good with that. So now, you know, we just let them fry up. I have a pan here to catch them when they're finished. It won't even take long. You know, guys, you know it doesn't take long to fry some fish. So I'm gonna let this go. Keep on frying. I'll be back when it's time to turn it over, which would be In a minute or so. In a minute or so, I'll be right back. So I start seeing around the edges here, it's starting to look a little brown. So I'm gonna flip it, and this is another spatula that I have that I really like because you can pick up a big piece of fish and flip it over. I never, this is hot grease, and I try to make sure it don't splash on me when I'm trying to flip the thing over. So I use another spatula to make sure it ain't gonna splash on me. That's another thing you want to do when you're trying to flip some fish or anything, even if it was chicken or whatever you want to do. You don't want it splashing on you. So we just turned it over. This is what I do. Like I said, I ain't trying to get splashed. But I do like fried fish. Air fried is fine, but I like a good piece of fish like this. Okay, I'm sorry. Air fried is fine, but every once in a while, I want a good piece of fresh fried fish. And that's what we're doing right here, okay? I will be back. Ain't gonna take long. I'm telling you, it's almost done. Maybe we could just chat another minute or so as this gets done, so I can transfer these out and put them in my, let them sit, let the oil go out, let them do. So, try to move them around in the pan a little bit so that I know they're not really sticking or anything. Let me take a look at the little one right here. You see the little one right here. I can have her stay in another minute or so because she's not brown enough for me. So it's going to stay a little bit longer on that side. And what about you? Let's check this. And this is what I do. I'll check it in that way. That's what I do. Maybe other people don't. That's almost perfect. Perfectly brown. Good one. What about you, big girl? How you doing? How you doing? And she's good too. Look at that. How beautiful she is. All right, so I'm going to take out this one for sure. Put it in over here. I'm going to take out the big girl. Put her over here too. And I'm going to take out this little one. Oh, she's good. She'll be all right. She'll be all right. So I'll put her in here too. So we still got some grease. Everything is cool in the game. We're going to do another batch. I don't know, I got maybe 3 batches all together to do. Get them all done. We shall see, we shall see. So I am coating it. I got to let you know and show you that I'm coating it like this. Get you over here. Get you in. Nice big grease. Okay. Let's do another one. Here's the fish. I'm putting it in. Coating it, guys, with my fingers. That's what I do. Sorry, no gloves, but I don't care. My food, I do what I do. Okay, so I'm not going through all of that. I'm home cooked, and that's how home cooks cook. They don't put gloves on. Okay, generally they don't put gloves on. So y'all do what y'all want with it. Don't really care. Now I guess I'll take this. Okay. Yeah, I gotta take this it's a tiny little piece here. See a little one. Let's put her in here. I think how they clean this is they should have chopped the head off all the way. And then they wouldn't have had all this extra. And cut off the side, cut off the fins. I think they would have been better off. And it's how they actually cleaned it. Which was a kind of issue. But you see, I got a big old greasy mess going on, but that's okay. I'm cooking, and I'll be back when it's time to turn this over. Okay, guys, I'm back again. I think it's time to turn it over a little and take a look at what's going on here. So let's try this one first. That is brown on the side. And I had it, well, now it's really on high. That definitely didn't get turned over. So the one can be turned over. And, whoa, what happens sometimes. It's what happens sometimes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get the other side out. All right. You can fix it if you just take your time. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna let them go for a few more minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, again, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at my potatoes. But anyway, I know these are done. It's starting to burn because I could I could smell them. No, I want them out of here. So my eye is really high. I'm gonna turn it down a little. It's too high. Ooh, that one burned. But the eye is too high, so I'm gonna let it come down a little bit, and I'm gonna finish this out. I got more than enough fish for me and Perry, and actually Perry is at a game night, and he's probably already eaten something. He may only want a couple of pieces of fish, so you don't really want that much. You see how much you can tell that the oil is burning here. It is burning, it's too high. And that happens to me. I mean, I'm sure that there's other ways to do this, but I guess my problem is I have no patience. Got no patience. So sometimes this will happen because I want to get it over with. If I had just turned it down, it'd have made more sense, but not me, not I. I didn't do that. I got one more to do after this. Maybe I could stick it in the same pan. Hope that I can so I can get this over with. So, hope I can. Let's see. Let's see if I can make room for one more. Get over this way, baby. And then if I can just get one more, then I'm cooking on gasoline. All right. Get one more in. And here we go. In. See what's up. See what's up. Then pull it that way. All right, these four are gonna cook. And when they're done, I will be back because you already see me turn them over. While I'm waiting to turn the fish over, I am actually eating a piece. And it's spectacular, man. Spectacular. Oh. I love my fish hot. Right out the pan. And like my father did, he liked it hot right out the pan. It does have some salt. Almost too much, but not really, not yet. So if I would do it again, I'd just put a little less seasoning of my own sauce on there. But it got that nice crispy crisp that I like on my fish. And I'm hungry. So, just wanted to show you this before I end up turning these over. All right, guys, I just wanted to end my fried fish journey here. This is my fried whitings, really fried, okay? And they are good. They're really good. They're good. They are a good and seem to be fresh fish, but they just don't know how to clean them over here. They need to clean them better. So I don't have to re-clean them. Here it goes. This is, y'all already saw me, but now you're really gonna see me take a bite of this whiting. Man, when you want some fried fish, you want some fried fish. And that's what I want. I will say, because I'm not used to eating this kind of grease, I can feel it in my stomach with this Manjaro stuff. so I'm not going to eat too much of it, but I am going to eat some with some hot sauce. All right? Guys, I really appreciate you guys coming, liking, subscribing, sharing, hanging out with me through my Monjaro journey, through my weight loss journeys, through my recipe journeys, through everything that I'm going through, because I'm just kind of going to show you what I'm going through. And I do I am a content creator, so I am going to show you some of the things that I am creating, in case you want to know. And if you don't want to know, it's okay, you know, but I'm going to show you that also. So I'm going to just be showing you what Stephanie's Kitchen is doing. All right? Love you all. Appreciate you. Now I must give myself something to eat. I need to find a vegetable, but I need to get myself something to eat. All right? Love you. Bye-bye.